Social media anxiety, a topic that has really taken the digital world by storm. Now, let's delve into this fascinating subject, shall we? Social media anxiety refers to the unease and distress experienced by individuals in relation to their use of social media platforms. It's like a little dark cloud that hovers over one's head when they're scrolling through their feeds or posting updates. You see, the constant exposure to picture-perfect lives and curated highlight reels of others can really mess with our heads. You see, our brain is a marvelous organ that processes a multitude of information every single day. It's constantly working to help us navigate through life, make decisions, and understand the world around us. However, when we're bombarded with images of seemingly perfect lives on social media, it can trigger a cascade of negative thoughts and emotions. Let's talk about the comparison game. When we see others achieving milestones, looking flawless and living their best lives on social media, it can evoke feelings of inadequacy within us. We start questioning our own worth and comparing ourselves to these seemingly perfect individuals. This phenomenon is known as social comparison theory, studied extensively in psychology. Our brain, being the complex and impressionable organ that it is, internalizes these comparisons and affects our self-esteem and confidence. Now, here's where it gets interesting from a neuroscience perspective. When our cognitive abilities are clouded by self-doubt and negative emotions, it disrupts the functioning of certain brain regions responsible for decision-making, focus, and clear thinking. One such region is the prefrontal cortex, which plays a crucial role in executive functions. Executive functions refer to a set of cognitive processes that help us regulate our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. These functions include attention, working memory, inhibitory control, and cognitive flexibility. However, when social media anxiety takes hold, it can impair these executive functions, making it difficult for us to focus, make decisions, and think clearly. Research in neuroscience has shown that chronic stress and negative emotions, such as those experienced during social media anxiety, can lead to structural and functional changes in the prefrontal cortex. These changes can disrupt the connectivity between different brain regions, impairing the flow of information and affecting our cognitive abilities. You see, when we're constantly worrying about how we measure up to others, it creates a sense of pressure and fear of judgment. We become so consumed with presenting a perfect image online that it starts affecting our real-world performance. It's like we're living in a constant stage play, trying to please an unseen audience. This psychological burden can lead to anxiety, stress, and even depression, which in turn impact our overall well-being and performance in various aspects of. Now, here's the interesting part. Studies have been conducted to shed light on the relationship between social media anxiety and cognitive abilities. A study published in the journals Cyberpsychology, Behavior, and Social Networking found that excessive use of social media platforms was associated with decreased cognitive control and attention span. Another study published in Computers in Human Behavior revealed that social media use was linked to decreased academic performance and reduced productivity. So social media anxiety not only messes with our heads, but also affects our cognitive abilities and psychological well-being. It's like a double whammy. The constant comparison, fear of judgment, and pressure to present a flawless image can really take a toll on our mental performance. It's important to be aware of these effects and find a healthy balance when it comes to our social media usage. Life is not a popularity contest on the digital screen. Your worth is not determined by the number of likes or followers you have. Embrace your uniqueness and celebrate your achievements, big or small. And most importantly, prioritize your mental well-being above all else.